Yes, today's topic is happiness. Okay, so my first question is always same. What is the first thing which comes in your mind when you hear about happiness?
Happiness means that's something that we feel when we feel so happy. Okay,
Okay.
when we feel that means we are happy. Okay, there is no any tension in our mind. Okay, we are so relaxed. That time I think it is happiness. When we would be able to fulfill our wishes. Okay, that time we feel so happy. What we achieved something, what we wanted so much. Okay,
Yes.
yeah, it is happiness.
All right. Okay. So yeah, you are totally right. Like when you are tension free and all, but in our life, do you think that we will ever get tension free or something like that?
No, it is not possible for us because if we are alive, that it means then it is sure that we will get some tension. Okay, sometime
Yes.
it would be big and sometime it would be a little, but it is sure that tension will be with us every time.
True. Very true. Okay, so this I would like to explain you with an example. Like when we were a child or when we were kid, we used to cry for milk. So that was also tension for us,
Yeah,
And then yeah, and then we just grow up, and then we wanted something like we wanted laptop or phone, and then we used to, tease our parents or that I want this, I want that. So tension is everywhere, but the form changes, right?
yeah,
Now you will not cry for milk. So the tension has changed. Now you will see for some other things like some materialist things
mm,
or something, So the tension is always there,
yeah,
right? Okay. So I have like, do you want to say anything else or should I continue?
yeah, yeah. Please proceed.
Yeah, yeah. So I was saying that I have few questions on the PDF which I would like to ask you. Can I?
Yeah, yeah, of course.
Yeah. So my first question to you is, do you think happiness is important? And if it is important, then why?
Yeah, happiness is very important for us.
Yes.
It doesn't matter that how many tensions we have. Okay, but we are happy, then it's okay, right? In the other hand, we may see that there are many people who means who have everything for him. Okay, but
Yes.
after that they means they are not happy, right?
Mhm.
They are always like upset. Okay, mm, they pretend like they have nothing, right? So
Yes.
actually, yeah, in my opinion, everybody should try to be happy in their life.
Yes. Everyone should try to be happy. Totally agree on that. And do you think that happiness is temporary?
Yeah, yeah. Sometimes we feel that some happiness come in our life, and after some time it goes automatically. Okay, but what we have to do, just we have try to hold the happiness. Okay, suppose you
Yes.
get something and you become so happiness, right? And after that you means lost anything, then you
Yes.
become so upset. So we shouldn't do like this. If we get any means unexpected thing, okay,
Yes.
but we shouldn't bother so much. If we are in difficult situation, if now we are in difficult situation, then it is sure that sometimes in future we will be in good situation, right? So we have
Yes.
to keep patience and we always try to be happy.
Very true. So yeah, on that note, I would like to say that nothing is permanent, right? Happiness, sadness, it will come and it will go, right? Okay, so just tell me, Nayan, one thing that in recent times, in maybe in the past 1 or 2 months, like have you bought something from online or from offline? Yeah,
I
what?
bought many things. Yeah, a few months ago, I had bought a microphone and a mobile stand. Okay, but when I got the things were not so good. Okay, actually, I didn't like the things, and after that, I returned the thing.
Okay, so. Very interesting story. And via your story, I would like to tell you one thing. Like when you bought that mic, you were so happy at that time, but after 10 days, after 20 days, you're like normal, huh, I have this. So the happiness, the level decreases, right, as day
Yeah.
passes on and all. So do you agree with that? Because it happens with me also. I think it happens with everyone.
Yeah, it happens with everyone. So we are happy when we are about to get anything. Okay, but
Yes.
whenever we get the thing, after that we become means that after getting the thing, we would not be so happy
Yes.
comparatively to the earlier time, right?
True. True.
For example, like we know very well that now any festival is about to come. Okay, that time
Yeah.
we prepare so much because we know that uh, some festivals are about to come. Okay, but when it comes, that time I don't think so that we feel so happy. Okay, that time
Yes.
we think that why did it come so early, right? And after 1 or 2 days we means we feel that now it has gone.
Yes. Yeah, it
Yeah.
happens. It also it also I think it happens with everyone out there, like with male, with female, with childrens, with
Mm,
youngsters, everyone. So I
mm.
totally agree on that thing. Okay, so my next question to you is, what makes you happy?
Means I feel happy whenever I am able to do something for my family. Okay.
All right. Okay.
Yeah. Like if I did something for my family, or if I bought something for my family only, right? And if suppose if my brother and sisters are sisters order something, okay, to buy or to do anything, and after that if
Yes.
I am able to complete their wishes, then I feel so happy, right? And the
Okay.
other hand, means I was so happy when I got my job. Okay, that time my parents were also so happy, and by seeing their happiness, I was also so happy. Right? Yeah.
Right. 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 Okay.
And
So that was.
yeah, and apart from that, whenever I get any chance to help someone, that time I also used to help them, and after that I feel so happy.
So my next question to you is, what do you do if you are feeling happy? Okay, suppose. Do you want me to give you an example, or you have understood the question?
Yeah. Yeah, when I feel happy myself, that time I used to sing something, or I used to murmur something. Okay, and sometime I used to call my friends and I used to talk with them. Okay,
Okay.
and or we make a video, means a group call with our family. So
Okay.
this these are the things I used to do.
That's amazing. And like what? So don't you do all this like when you get happy, you feed poor people or something like that, or you feed animals? Because I think I will do that if I will get happy. So it was about my perspective, but anyways.
Mhm. Yeah, because you know that I live alone. Okay, there is no any animals or there is no anything.
Okay, okay, no, no,
Yeah.
it's okay, it's fine,
But
it's
you know
perfect.
when but when I am in my home, okay, at that time I used to feed our cow or our goat. Okay, I like so much.
Yeah, we should feed animals.
Yeah.
True. Okay, so my now this is the last question. Okay, so
Yeah.
do you think being happy make you healthier, and how
Yeah. Yeah, I
it may?
believe that. Yeah. I believe that because whenever we are happy, that time our mind is also happy, right?
Yes,
Yeah, it may be that our physical means we are not physically strong, but if we are happy, that means that our mind is also happy. Whenever we get any disease, right? But we feel happy and we try to be happy, that time our disease means will automatically go,
yes,
right?
it happens. Yeah,
So yeah, just
yeah.
tell me your experience that when you were so happy in your life.
Okay, so when I got my first phone, that was the happiest moment of my life because you know what? That
Yeah.
I think when I got my first phone, I was in just sixth or seventh grade. You know,
Wow.
sixth or seventh class, which was too early. Like even
Yeah.
you also might have you might have got your first phone maybe in your 11th, 12th or in college, right?
Yeah. After my matriculation.
That's the thing, man. But I got it when I was in seventh or sixth grade of the class. So that was the
But you
happiest moment.
know,
Yeah.
as I got my phone means when I was in matric, okay, or when I passed my matriculation, and you got your phone when you were in sixth standard, okay.
Yes.
But so you know what is happening now? The LKG students are getting their phone now.
Yeah. Just because of this online study and all. I know.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Whatever may be, but they are getting their phone.
Yeah. True. True. Whatever the reason is, that doesn't matter. And you know what? I got my first laptop when I was in second or first grade. Okay.
Wow.
I still have that laptop. You know, it is just behind me. Okay. I will show
Okay.
you
So is
someday.
it running or not?
No, no, yeah, it's running. It's running very well. It's Windows 7 and and it's running quite well.
Okay.
Yeah, and that laptop I bought it when I was in first grade. So do you know what, Nayan? You're like very cute. By looking at your face, like you look so cute and so innocent child, like a child, So
Hmm.
what's the secret behind this? Like, do you do something to look more cuter?
When I talk to you, like I feel like that I am talking to my brother, or I am talking to a familiar guy.
Yeah. Okay, that
Yeah,
was a very nice compliment for me. It was nice talking to you, Nayan, and I hope that we'll meet in our next session. All right.
yeah,
So,
yeah.
is there anything which you would like to say, or should we just say bye bye?
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye,
Okay.
bye.
Bye. Okay. Bye bye and take care.
Okay. Bye.